it's Angela from the blog angelamariemade.com. Today I'm going to show you how to build our DIY hanging planter out of wood. This hanging planter has been a highly requested reader project, and it's something I've been wanting to build for a while as well. It's perfect for hanging your indoor plants year-round in your house. Start by gathering all of your materials. You can get a full cut list, material list, and tutorial on my blog, which is linked below this video. But for the wood, you're going to need a 1x8 at 4 feet long. We used a 4-foot piece of white oak because I love the look of oak, but you can use any kind of wood for this project. To hang the planter, we used cotton rope that we had on hand already, but I would recommend using rope that can hold at least 25 pounds just to be safe. Also, this planter fits a 6-inch pot, and I would recommend using a plastic pot over ceramic because it's lighter. Okay, let's get started with this DIY hanging planter. Step 1 is to make the lumber cuts from the 1x8. Cut 3 boards at 7 1/4 inches and 2 boards at 8 3/4. Step 2 is to drill holes for the handles. We drilled holes through the 2 8 3/4 inch boards for the rope. First, we marked with a pencil where the holes would go by measuring 2.5 inches in from each side and 1 inch down from the top. Then we clamped the board down and drilled the 2 holes using a 5/16 of an inch drill bit. Step 3 is to attach the sides to the baseboard. Attach one of the 7 1/4 inch boards with wood glue and 1 1/4 inch brad nails to the baseboard. Use clamps to help hold the wood in place. Repeat this process on the opposite side for the other 7 1/4 inch board. And then attach the 2 boards with the holes to finish the planter box. Step 4 is to apply stain or polyurethane or both. I love the raw natural look of the white oak wood that we used, so we chose just to use a water-based polyurethane to enhance the grain and to seal the wood. We used 2 coats of the poly and allowed it to fully dry before proceeding. Step 5 is to attach your rope handles. First, we cut 2 pieces of rope at 60 inches, which would allow for our planter to hang down about 30 inches from our ceiling. We put the rope through the drilled planter box holes and secured it together with a strong knot on each side. The last step is to set your plant in place in the planter box and hang your DIY hanging planter from the ceiling. We used a hanging ivy plant inside of a 6-inch plastic pot for our hanging planter. Finally, we hung the rope handles on the planter from a ceiling hook rated for holding 35 pounds that we installed into a stud on our ceiling. I love how our DIY hanging planter turned out. It brings so much life to our living room corner. If you have any questions about this project, please let me know in the comments below, or you can ask over in our woodworking Facebook group at angelamariemade.com/woodworkingforthehome. Also, if you make this project, be sure to share it with us on social media. You can tag me at Angela Marie Made. You can get an extra entry in our DIY challenge giveaway for making this project. Enter the giveaway at angelamariemade.com/DIY challenge. Thank you again for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more fun DIY videos.